do you look in your business? Does your business even look like you? It's actually really important that it does. I'm Kate Bird. I'm a personal stylist who specialises in colour and has a recycling clothing shop, but I'm here under the umbrella of the Rabbit in the Red Dress, and I'm one half of that initiative, the other being my business buddy Sandy Taylor, who specialises or is an expert in marketing for small businesses. We have come together to help you to understand that really important aspect of business, which is looking like your business, appearing that you are the person you say you're qualified to be, you say you can help your ideal client to be. You need to look the part. So we're running an introductory event called How to Pull a Rabbit Out of Your Hat. And looking like your business is one of the aspects that we'll be covering on that event. If you're interested, I'll leave the link below, which you can click on to get more details. The event itself will be held in Midland on the 14th of February, so Valentine's Day, we can remember that one. In the meantime, this is the second video of 3 that I'm making, so I'll see you in the next one.